Okay. You know, I'll let you know. Monday is the next little dribble. Okay, talk to you then.
Well, it's booking out this time.
I'm thinking about you all the time, trust me. Okay, bye.
It's booking out again, Alan. Look at it go. That storm drain come into view. You can just, yeah.
He says that boats are breaking docks up there in Newport.
Wow.
That's Donnie Brockman was talking about.
Did you hear that?
Don't you love me anymore, Mom?
Oh, there's the bottle. That's crazy.
Just watch it.
I know. So far, it's been less than a minute and a half, Ellen, since it was all the way up to the top of the storm drain cover. Look at it go.
Are you watching that shit?
I'm filming it.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah.
It's crazy when you watch the sewer pipe over there. It goes all the way up to the
Yep.
top of the sewer pipe, and then it goes.
Yeah, well, it completely had the bottle covered.
Yeah.
About 2 minutes ago, the bottle was completely covered over the top.
That sewer pipe was all the way up. Now it's down. It's a crazy storm surge.
That is amazing
It's not
storm surge.
surge.
From the tsunami?
It's tsunami surge.
Yeah.
Tsunami surge?
Yeah.
It's definitely tsunami related because this doesn't happen.
Yeah, there was an earthquake in Chile, they said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huge. Huge.
Giant earthquake.
8.8.
And that's what you think this is from?
Is exactly what
That's
it is.
exactly what's from.
When did the earthquake happen?
This morning.
Last night at 10:30, I think.
Really? And those freaking...
Our time, whatever that means.
Oh, last night at 10:30?
Yeah.
Hawaii's supposed to get
I bet they're going to get ruined.
a little.
They haven't got anything yet. They're waiting.
If it's anything like here, it's about an hour late.
They said it pulled out a couple feet in some places, but nothing yet.
Pretty intense.
This is
I
amazing.
was watching the gobies flip around in the mud before I noticed it. I was like, what the hell? The water was just up. Is the tide going out again? It just went out earlier.
It still hasn't. The tide
Yeah.
still is going out.
This is about 4 feet right now.
I know, I'm filming it.
Amazing.
Isn't that incredible?
The bottle.
We were watching the bottle disappear and reappear, and disappear and reappear.
I was watching the pipe over here.
Yeah. Wow. Crazy.
I've never seen a tide go out like that before. Probably, hopefully never will again. A move like that over there?
Yeah. It drops down like
Back and forth.
No, no. But it drops pretty quick.
Yeah.
He keeps calling Steve and Fred.
You'll never see anything like this again. Hopefully you'll never see anything like this again. Sure took a catastrophic event to make it happen.
Call the news, Tish.
Have I called the news? I haven't.
Unless they probably know
They're
about it.
somewhere. I've got to tell them I'm filming it, so we'll sell it.
Tish is
It's happening because of what?
The tsunami.
Where is that, in Hawaii?
The tsunami's in the Pacific Ocean. It's a result of the 9.0 earthquake in Chile.
Oh, I didn't hear about that.
Yeah.
When was that? Today?
That was last night,
Oh, I didn't hear about
like in the
that.
middle of the night.
Oh, wow. 9.0.
It's not the worst earthquake, but it's pretty darn close. Yeah, the whole dock is out of the water. The whole thing.
Oh my goodness. Are they prepared? Hopefully that's not going to be...
It's not a big deal.
Oh, okay, that's
This is really interesting, though. It is February 27, 2010. Chile had an earthquake last night of 8.8, and this storm surge in San Diego Bay here in Point Loma, a commercial basin, is something nobody's ever seen before. It's incredible. This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. It was crazy. Let me in, Gary. Let me in. Oh, it's open?
Apparently it's going to swing back and forth a few times.
It is. It's already a couple times.
Yeah, that sucked out. That was crazy.
That was so fast it took about 4.5 minutes.
It's going back in now.
Yeah, it's on its way back up. Yeah, I'm videoing it. Whew. What a day to be at work, huh?
Yeah.
Look at it come up. It's already come up to the bottom of the floats.
Yeah.
It's just booking.
We'll see how big the surge. Did you see how
No,
high
it's
it got
coming up.
It's
It's going to come up higher this time when it comes up.
Tide pretty soon.
Is the boat in the water?
A couple times, and I go back and forth.
Here it comes. Look at that go. Wow. It's just booking up.
Yeah, it's in the big pocket in the forward, past the laptop pocket.
We're not looking this big wave.
Look at that. Look at it go. Look at the coastline there. The water
You
line.
remember, we're at almost a negative tide rate.
Look at Oh, this came back afloat.
Oh, wow.
We were sitting in the mud all the way down.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Through our line slide.
I know.
It's what Jordan said. He said Channel Islands is doing the same thing.
Newport just called and said their boats are crashing up against each other because Newport.
He's been on Obi Pier.
Yeah.
No
This is
way.
because it's coming out so fast that the boats don't have time to move anywhere.